you my heart. Cause you're a sky full of stars. Cause you light up the path.
The group work during these 2 weeks has been a great chance to get to know India better through its people, and we have made memories that we are not going to forget.
Cause in a sky full of stars, I think I saw you.
And what I really liked to see was also the Indian input sessions, especially also from Mr. Chaser, who was talking about startups in India, how the ecosystem here at Parul evolved and so on.